Machines reduce errors and keep environments safer, making them preferable to human labor in critical roles. The arrival of humanoid robots like Tesla Optimus is a turning point for the future of work. Optimus can walk, pick up objects, sort items, work in warehouses, perform household tasks, and complete repetitive activities with accuracy. Tesla plans to use thousands of these robots inside its factories as they become more advanced and affordable. Optimus will replace roles such as warehouse workers, loaders, packers, cleaners, helpers, and retail support staff. Other companies like Amazon are testing similar robots, putting millions of low-skilled jobs at risk. Google's influence extends into creative and office sectors with AI handling emails, customer support, transcripts, summaries, scheduling, design drafts, editing guidance, and coding assistance. These tasks traditionally required human employees, but now a single AI can replace multiple workers. Content creation fields like writing, designing, editing, and research are being reshaped as AI can generate thousands of ideas in seconds. Self-driving technology is another major threat to traditional jobs. Tesla's full self-driving system improves by learning from billions of miles, and once perfected, it could replace millions of professional drivers. Google's Waymo robotaxi service already operates in some U.S. cities without any human driver inside. In the last decade, the world has entered a new era where technology is no longer just a tool, it has become a worker, a decision-maker, and in many cases a replacement for human labor. Companies like Google and Tesla are leading this transformation with robots and advanced AI that perform tasks faster, cheaper, and more accurately than humans. This shift is happening silently across factories, offices, hospitals, and service sectors, creating a new reality where machines are becoming the backbone of global industries. To understand why human jobs are at risk, we need to look at how companies like Tesla and Google are applying automation. Inside Tesla's gigafactories, hundreds of manual workers have been replaced by silent, precise robotic arms performing welding, painting, assembling, lifting, quality checks, and packaging. These robots don't demand salaries, don't make mistakes, and don't take breaks. They can work 24 hours a day with the same consistency. Elon Musk has repeatedly said that repetitive and dangerous jobs will eventually be fully automated, and that future is already visible inside Tesla's production lines. Google, on the other hand, is transforming office and knowledge-based jobs with advanced AI systems. Instead of physical robots, Google relies on AI models capable of analyzing, predicting, and making decisions at a speed no human can match. DeepMind and Gemini can diagnose diseases, write code, generate research, produce marketing plans, and analyze massive datasets within seconds. Tasks that once required human teams are now handled instantly by AI, reducing the need for large office staff, assistants, analysts, and junior workers. One of the strongest reasons companies are replacing humans is efficiency. Robots don't get tired, emotional, or sick, and they don't need holidays, overtime pay, or bonuses. In manufacturing, AI robots increase speed and precision, while office AI tools write reports, create drafts, design presentations, generate content, and support programming faster than humans. When tasks that took hours can now be done in seconds, businesses naturally choose automation. Safety is another major driving force behind this shift. Tesla uses robotic systems for high-risk tasks involving heavy machinery, extreme temperatures, and high-voltage equipment, reducing workplace injuries. Google uses AI in cybersecurity to detect threats faster than human experts by scanning millions of signals instantly. These vehicles don't break rules, don't get tired, and don't take time off. When autonomous transportation expands globally, taxi drivers, truck drivers, delivery riders, and transport workers will face major job loss. Automation is growing faster than any previous technological revolution, and jobs that seem secure today may disappear soon. Routine roles like data entry, customer service, cashier work, warehouse packaging, and delivery are at the highest risk. AI can replicate these tasks with speed and consistency, but jobs requiring creativity, leadership, emotional intelligence, and deep human understanding will remain valuable. The future workforce will be a partnership between humans and machines. Robots will handle physical repetition, AI will handle routine mental tasks, and humans will focus on creativity and high-level decision-making. Adapting to this change requires learning digital tools, AI usage, robotics awareness, and technical skills. Those who succeed will be the ones who use AI instead of competing against it. Companies like Google and Tesla are not just replacing human jobs, they are creating a new definition of work. Robots and AI systems deliver higher efficiency, greater speed, and lower cost, pushing companies toward automation. Understanding this shift is important because the future belongs to those who adapt early. Technology is moving forward whether we like it or not. The world is entering a phase where survival depends on learning new skills and staying ahead of machines. And if you want more powerful insights on the future of technology, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss the videos that can help you stay ahead in this new world.